Good morning.
Good morning.
How'd you sleep?
Well, I was really asleep this morning around 7 a.m. when someone woke me up.
Yeah, we gotta get going.
But throughout the night, not so much.
Oh, those coyotes are crazy.
Yeah, so I wonder if they like have a den around here or something, because they totally like took off that way and then they came back.
Yeah.
And then I heard them again, so.
I wondered.
I am like, oh God, they might just live over there in one of those areas.
Yeah, there's definitely coyotes out here.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Our challenge of the morning is getting Moon out.
That is the challenge of the morning.
And I need to pee, and I can't see.
I really thought there'd be more sunlight by now. We have made an absolute mess in the car. Yeah, just get out of here. It's gonna take some teamwork. Okay. Wow. That kind of looked normal. Oh boy. We've got stuff in. I can't even really see up front. This is hilarious. Our camp chairs. It was dark. We just threw our camp chairs right there in front.
Oh, the body's a little stiff. It was funny because the coyotes were going crazy last night.
Uh-huh.
And Moon was just sawing logs.
You guys stay.
Hold on, babies.
No, stay.
Moon was sawing logs the whole time. Mooners, I need you to stand up. Come on.
Like, this is ridiculous.
No. Hold on, belly rub.
Okay. This is how she works mama.
Maybe I can do it like this.
This is how she works the mama.
I bet then she doesn't actually get up. Let's see. Let's try it.
Oh, man, that wind. Well, you know, you always have to do something for the first time.
Okay, ready? Let's get up.
And then you learn it. Just like these chairs.
Let's get up.
Take them apart.
There we go, get up.
Learners, we gotta do this so we can help you get down. We're gonna do this. You ready? Okay. Here we go, sweetie. You ready? Here we go. You guys stay. You ready?
Come on, babies, you can do it.
Okay?
Come on.
Come on.
Come on,
hand you the mamas,
come on.
okay?
Right
Come
here.
On. Come on, you got it. Come on. Come on. We gotta go. I have to pick you up like a sack of potatoes. Wait, she gotta go down the stairs.
Oh, no! Oh,
I got her.
Come on.
There you go.
Come on, babies, come on.
There you go. Come on.
Come on. Come down.
Come on.
See, she won't move her legs.
Come on, boy.
Put her back legs down.
Yeah.
Okay, I got her. Let go. Let go. Hold on, Mooners.
Well, that was...
Terrible.
Yeah, very bad.
Yeah, see?
Well, we got some training to do. Where do we start?
Starting route to White Sands National Park.
Thank you, Siri. She doesn't even know where we're at.
On E300
Well,
Road.
We're good. I
sure?
say, yeah, we're just gonna go through Amarillo. All right, this is what the Sequoia is made for right here.
Ooh.
What is that, tonight?
Yeah, you're not going to be happy about that.
What's the low in White Sands?
38.
Whoa,
But
38.
it's 57 today.
Whoa, that's 20 degrees colder than last night.
Should we hang out in Amarillo? Let's see.
No, we'll never get there.
I don't care.
Angela, I think we just need to feed us. My stomach is a burning pit.
Amarillo's gonna be 37.
Oh, there's a cold front moving in.
So it's warmer in White Sands. Gotta go there.
By a degree.
Still warmer. Number 7, bottled water.
Okay, number 7, bottled water. Actually, make it 2 number 7s.
Yeah.
And then can I get a hash brown? You want a hash brown? An extra hash brown?
That comes with this
Oh,
number 7.
Oh, it comes with a number 7?
Yes, the number 7. The hash brown, 2 burritos.
Okay, never mind. Yeah, so 2 waters with the 2 number 7s. Thank you. Don't judge us.
I also think it's funny that we neglected to even mention that we're also drinking Starbucks coffee.
Oopsies! Day numero dos. Mushroom coffee with steamed almond milk and 1 packet of honey.
But we did camp last night.
Oh my God.
We did camp.
Hey, it's our journey.
It
It's
is our
our
journey.
escapism.
Yeah. So that's
We're still
something
escaping.
I was thinking about is it's really about our road trip adventure. And like
Yeah.
there will be camping and there'll be other things like
Airbnbs.
Airbnb,
Dog-friendly
hotels.
Airbnbs.
And camping.
Moon's like, thank you. Please do not make me go up into that tent again.
I can't get out of the car. It's so windy out here. So this little place, Shattuck, I think we're still in Oklahoma. Check out these windmills. These are dope. Look at all these little guys. Big guys.
So Chris stopped along the way. He saw all these windmills and he's like, I need to shoot windmills. So here's Chris outside shooting windmills.
I mean, this is US and A right here. When you're like, there's someone walking around outside last night,
Oh,
it totally sounded like someone was
It
walking
did.
around outside last night.
okay, I know.
But I didn't want to freak myself out or you out because I was like,
But we both froze and listened.
yes. And we listened and it sounded like, whoosh, whoosh.
Yes.
It was like perfectly succinct, like, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh,
Yeah.
whoosh. And then you go, someone outside? And I was like, no.
I know. You
But in my
instantly
head, I
were
was like,
no. I knew it. Because even when you were like, no, there isn't, I was like, maybe he doesn't hear what I hear. And so I sat there listening even more.
Yeah.
Yeah. But now I'm second guessing. What if it's like a ghost?
Oh, stop.
It could be a coyote ghost.
Yes, there you go. You believe that it was a coyote ghost.
That's the only way to explain it. That's the only way to explain it.
That's not the only way to explain it.
Okay, so we're not going to Santa Dunes tonight. We're in a high wind advisory. It's about 50 to 60 mile per hour wind, so there's no way we can overland camp. So we're getting down Interstate 40 to go to Albuquerque. And this is nuts. This is absolutely crazy. I can barely stand. Oh, I got too much dust in my eyes.
My God, there's like 4 of them in a row. I'm turning my hazards on. Oh my God.
We can't see.
I can't see it. I probably should slow down. Oh, there's someone right in front of me. Oh, I feel like we're on Mars. Look at the windmill just like popping up out of the dust storm. Oh, my bad.
Amazing. If I could get all my hair to stand up, it would look like this. This is pretty cool. No, I don't know what that was. Oh my God. I don't know. I'm strongly reevaluating everything right now.
Into what? Checking into a hotel?
Yeah, I was like,
And then everyone
maybe we go to Santa Fe.
and just hang out there for a week.
Yeah,
And then just tell everyone we overland camp.
yeah.
Even the gas station signs are freaking blowing off. It's crazy out here. But yeah, we can't overland camp tonight because it's way too crazy windy out here. There they are. Ooh, hold on to your ducats. Look at Moon blowing away. Moon, is you blowing away? Look at this sign. It is completely like almost blown off. Oh, there goes my hat. Shit. My hat! No! Oh my gosh.
You're being dramatic. Okay. You ready to get some food?
Yeah, if I don't blow away.
Look at that. That's craziness.
It's crazy. This is a cool little place.
Yeah. There's fresh salads, fruits, snacks. How you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah.
We made a good decision.
Oh my God.
It's so windy.
It's crazy out there. If we wouldn't have made that decision at like 8 o'clock, we would have made it at... My watch is dead. We would have made it at 2 o'clock.
It's a good thing we're gonna go to Albuquerque and just get a house. The weather is not favorable.
Yeah, because it's gonna be still windy there.
Yeah.
And like snow and rain possibly mixed.
That's a good choice.
Yeah, no kidding.
Cheers.
My shoulder back in. I didn't know you were filming.
What's up, Ash?
Anyway.
It's not easy getting in that door.
Oh my God, it was so much. Okay, great. This is it.
Goodness.
This is it.
Thank goodness. Oh, there's heat in here. Oh, there's a widow's baby's coming in. Give it some sniffs,
Oh, it
Mooners.
feels nice and warm in here.
Oh, we'll take it all day.
And there's no 80-mile-per-hour winds.
And we got our Thai food.
Oh my God, that's the most life I've seen in you for the last 2 hours.
I need food. Dude need food.
No, I don't care about that, but you just get really excited about the car wash.
Because it's instant gratification. I can wash my car and then it's clean on my e-bike. Whereas you go to a Thai restaurant, you're at the mercy of them making your food and these kids going, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. That's what he said to me. I go, you said it was the fried rice, now you're saying it's pad Thai. And he goes, I don't know, man. I'm like, well, you gotta go find out.
That's your job to find out, buddy.
I don't know, man.
Go eat your food. Yeah, it's not good customer service.
In the 90s, I probably would have been fired for that.
Yep, here we go.
Back in the day.
Today's Saturday. We're heading to Sedona.
Oh my God, it's just like in the tree. Wow.
There's 2 of them.
There are 2 of them. You were recording this?
Yeah. You're smoking us out.